work on WH questions. We are going to work on WH questions. Yesterday we talked about who, when, where, and how, right? Yesterday we talked about who, when, where, and how. And today we are going to work on, I think yesterday, have we talked about where questions and answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, fine. So today we'll go for how questions also we have done, right, yesterday?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we have done with the how also. So today we are going to work on why questions and answers. Okay. Today we are going to work on why questions and answers. Right. So today we are going to work on why questions and answers. So why there are 4 important questions, answers. There are 5 types of the important answers, like for, to, because, the reason is that, so, and therefore. So and therefore. Okay. Okay. Just repeat after me. Why do you write a letter?
Why do you write
Why
a
do
letter?
you write a letter?
Okay, Advait is going to repeat. Okay, others, please mute yourself. Okay, why do you write a letter?
Why do you write a letter?
I write a letter to get good marks.
I write a letter to get good marks.
Why did you write a letter?
Why did you write a letter?
I wrote a letter to get good marks.
I wrote a letter to get good marks.
Why will you write a letter?
Why will you write a letter?
I will write a letter to get good marks.
I will write letter to get good marks.
So here 2 plus verb first form we have used. We have used 2 plus verb first form. All right. So whenever 2 plus verb first part means sati. In Marathi, sati के लिए. Why do you write a letter? आप पत्र आप why do you write? आप क्यों लिखते हो? I write to get good marks. हम अच्छा मार्क्स मिलने के लिए लिखते हैं. So to it means के लिए. To it means sati. And when we use to, then we use first form of the verb. First form of the verb. I write to get good marks. I learn to get good marks. I read the newspaper to get good marks. Understand? Now for getting good marks. So when you are using for, then you are using verb ing. Verb ing. I write for getting good marks. Tushar, ask me questions. Tushar, ask me questions. Why do you write? Why do you write?
Why do you write the letter?
I write a letter for getting good marks.
Why do you write a letter?
Why do you write? Only why do you write? Not a letter. Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I write for getting good marks.
Why do you write?
Next, why did you write it is?
Sorry, why did you write?
I wrote for getting good marks.
Why will you write?
I will write for getting good marks. Got it? Everybody, with for, we are using verb plus ing. All right. Now, because is a conjunction. So we are using 2 separate sentences. Okay. Okay. We are using 2 separate sentences. And in the middle of 2 sentences, we are using because. In the middle of 2 sentences, we are using because. All right. Yeah. Why do you write? Ask me questions. Ashwini, ask me questions. Why do you write?
Why do you write?
I write because I want to get good marks. Again.
Why did you write?
I wrote because I wanted to get good marks.
Why will you write?
I will write because I would like to get good marks. Once again.
Why do you write?
I write. The reason is that. It means we are just replacing because to the reason is that. Because च्या ऐवजी फक्त आपल्याला the reason is that वापरायचं आहे. Okay. And ask me again.
Why do you write?
I write. The reason is that I want to get good marks.
Why did you write?
I wrote. The reason is that I wanted to get good marks.
Why will you write?
I will write. The reason is that I wanted to get good marks. Okay, Aditi, ask me the questions. Why do you write?
Why do you write?
आता आपण काय करतोय? Because आणि the reason is that च्या उलट उत्तर देतोय. उलट उत्तर देतोय. Okay, start. Again, ask me questions. Aditi.
Why do you write?
I want to get good marks, so I write.
Why did you write?
I wanted to get good marks, so I write.
Why will you write?
I would like to get good marks, so I will write. Once again.
Why do
Now
you
we are
write?
replacing so. आता आपण सोच्या ऐवजी therefore वापरतोय. हां.
Why do you write?
I want to get good marks. I want to get good marks, so I write.
Why did you write?
I wanted to get good marks, so I wrote.
Why will you write?
I would like to get good marks, so I wrote. Got it? So everybody should write now these answers. So it will be helpful for you. Write these answers. Why do you study? Write down quick. Why do you study? I study to get good marks. Why do you study? I study to get good marks. Okay, one more. Now second answer. This is the first answer. Write down first answer. Now write down second answer. I study for getting good marks. Second answer. I study for getting good marks. This is the second answer. Okay. Now third answer. I study because I want good marks. I study because I want good marks. This is the third answer. Now fourth answer. Write down fourth answer. I study, the reason is that I want to get good marks. I study, the reason is that I want to get good marks. Now fifth answer. I want to get good marks. So I study. Now sixth answer. Write down sixth answer. Sixth answer is what? I want to get good marks. Therefore, I study. Got it? Now, next, one more question. We'll study one more question. Write down one more question. Why? Now, past, simple past tense question. Why did you get a job?
Why did you get a job?
Why did you get a job? First answer. I got a job to make money. I got a job to make money. Second answer. I got a job for making money. Now third answer. Write down the third answer. Third answer is what? I got a job because I cracked the interview.
Sir, can you repeat?
I got the job because I cracked the interview. Now, fourth answer. I got the job. The reason is that I cracked the interview.
Sir, repeat.
I cracked the interview. Now fifth is what? I got the job. Sorry, fifth is what? I cracked the interview.
Sorry, sir.
I cracked the interview, so I got the job. Now last. I cracked the interview, therefore I got the job. I cracked the interview, therefore I got the job. Got it, everybody?
Repeat.
I cracked the interview, therefore I got the job.
Yes, sir. Done.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Now one more. So it will be easy for you to practice. Why will you hire the employees? Why will you hire the employees? I hire the employees to give the job. I hire the employees to give the job. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
why will you hire the employees? I will hire the employees to give the job. I will hire the employees to give the job. Next, second answer. I will hire the employees for giving the job.
Sir, wait.
I
Sir, can you tell?
I will hire the employees to give the job. I will hire the employees to give the job. Second answer. I will hire the employees for giving the job. For giving the job. Now the third answer. I will hire the employees.
Wait. Yes, sir.
I will hire the employees because I have many jobs. I will hire the employees because I have many jobs. Now fourth, I will hire the employees.
Can you repeat that?
I will hire the employees because I have many jobs. I will hire the employees because I have many jobs. Now next, fourth, I will hire the employees. The reason is that I have many jobs. I have many jobs. I have fifth answer now. I have many jobs, so I will hire the employees. I have many jobs, so I will hire the employees. Now last answer, sixth answer. I have many jobs, therefore I will hire the employees. I have many jobs, therefore I will hire the employees. Got it? All right, so I think it needs a lot of practice. So everybody has to practice these why questions and answers with lot of questions and answers. And you are going to appear for the test on Friday. So there will be a lot of tests. Are you doing the test?
Yes,
Have
sir.
you solved all the last tests?
Yes, sir.
So doing.
Still, I have not received the test from Aishwarya, Kajal, Amruta, Santosh, Aditi. They have not yet given me any tests. Even, yeah, but others, Tushar is really doing well. Ashwini has given me tests. Pooja has given me tests. Abhishek has given me tests. So these students have tried to give the test and they have done it successfully. And I have also given them a special lecture to give them feedback for their test. I have given them a special lecture also to give them a feedback for their test. Are you going to appear for the next test? And they are appearing for the next test also, right? Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pooja, are you solving the next test?
Yes, I will solving a start in 22, 24.
Okay, great, great. Abhishek?
Sir,
Okay.
I have completed 23.
Ash and Tushar, how many have you completed? How many tests have you completed? Are unmute yourself, then we can hear you.
Sorry. I have completed 19 tests.
19 tests. Good job, good job. Aditi, have you started to work on the test?
Yes, sir.
How many tests have you finished?
13.
Then why don't you mail me? Mail me those all tests.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Santosh, how many have you done?
23, 24, 25, 26.
Then mail me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aishwarya?
I have completed 18 tests.
18. Then mail me. Why are you? What are you waiting for? Because I need to check. I need to check it. Okay, Amruta, how many have you done? How many
I
tests?
have not done till now.
Okay, okay. Please start it from tomorrow.
Yes.
Tomorrow is Thursday. A pious day. A pious day.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kajal.
Yes, sir, 20 complete किया है मैंने.
Then why are you not sending it to me?
But sir, it's 13 to 20.
It's okay, but send it to me.
Yes, sir, I will
Send it to me so I can see and I can give you a feedback. And
Yes.
I can check it,
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So now we are going to work on the next question. That is how many. Now you are going to give me 5 answers of how many. Okay, Kajal, repeat after me. How many letters do you write?
How many letters do you write?
I write a letter.
I write a letter.
I write 2 letters.
I write 2 letters.
I write many letters.
I write many letters.
Everybody is repeating after me. I write a few letters.
I write a few letters.
I write a lot of letters.
I write a lot of letters.
I write a plenty of letters.
I write a plenty of letters.
I write some letters.
I write some letters.
I write enough letters.
I write enough letters.
I write no letters.
I write no letters.
I write a number of letters.
I write a number of letters.
Okay, Tushar, give me 5 answers. Give me 5 answers.
Yes.
How many dictionaries do you? How many newspapers? How many articles do you read?
I read an article. I read and 2 articles. I read 3 articles. I read 4 articles. I read many articles. I read a few articles. I read a lot of articles.
Ashwini, how many emails do you reply? How many emails did you reply? How many emails did you reply?
I replied an email. I replied 2 emails. I replied no emails. I replied a number of emails. I replied enough emails. I replied many emails. I replied.
Very good. Aditi, how many puzzles will you solve? How many puzzles will you solve?
I will solve many puzzles. I will solve 2 puzzles. I will solve a few puzzles. I will solve a number of puzzles. I will solve a plenty of puzzles. I will solve 4 puzzles.
Okay,
I will solve.
Good job. Pooja Kumari, how many trees are you planting? How many trees are you planting?
Sorry, sir.
How many trees are you planting?
I am planting 2 trees. I am planting a
tree or trees?
Trees. I am planting 2 trees. I am planting a number of trees.
You cannot use a.
Okay, sir.
I am planting 2 trees. I am planting 3 trees. I am planting many trees.
I am planting many trees. I am planting a number of trees. I am planting a lots of trees. I am planting enough of tree. I am planting some. I am planting some tree. I am planting
trees.
Trees. I am planting a lots of trees.
Very good. Good job, Abhishek. How many sentences do you write? How many sentences do you write? I write.
I write I write two sentence.
Sentence not. I write.
questions.
See, wait a minute. I write two sentences.
I write three sentences. I write four sentences. I write many sentences. I write a lot of sentences. I write enough sentences. I write a number of.
Very good. Advait, how many chapatis do you eat? How many chapatis do you eat?
Yes, sir. I eat and chapati.
And one and a chapati it is.
Yes, sir. I eat a chapati. I eat many chapati. I eat few chapatis. I eat a lot of chapatis. I eat enough chapati.
Very good. Kajal, how many tickets do you buy?
I buy a tickets. I buy 2 tickets. I buy 3 tickets. I buy 4 tickets. I buy many tickets. I buy a few tickets. I buy a lot of tickets. I buy a plenty of.
How many seats do you reserve?
Yes, sir.
How many seats do you reserve?
Yes, sir. I reserve a seat. I reserve 2 seats. I reserve 3 seats. I reserve 4 seats. I reserve for many seats. I reserve few seats. I reserve a lot of seats. I reserve plenty of seats. I reserve some seats. I reserve enough seats. I reserve a number of seats.
Very good. Aishwarya, how many questions do you check? How many questions do you check?
I check 2 questions. I check 3 questions. I check many questions. I check a few questions. I check a lot of questions. I check plenty of questions. I check some questions. I check.
Okay, very good. Amruta, how many friends do you follow? How many friends do you follow?
I follow a friend. I follow 2 friends. I follow many friends. I follow a few friends. I follow a lot of friends. I follow some friends. I follow enough friends. I follow a number of friends.
Very good. Good job. Now we are going to work on much question and answers. Much questions and answers. So much is used in the uncountable. All right. Uncountable. Tushar, answer me. How much water do you drink?
I drink a liter water. I drink much water. I will drink a liter water. I drink much water. I drink a lot of water. I drink a plenty of water. I drink some water. I drink enough water. I drink no water.
Ashwini, how much water do you add in the tea? How much water do you add in the tea?
I add much of water. I add a little of water.
Much of? No. I add much water. I add a little water. I add a lot of water. Why are you using of always?
I add much water. I add a little water. I add a lot of water. I add a plenty of water. I add some water. I add enough water. I add no water.
Good job. Aditi, how much ice cream do you eat? How much ice cream do you eat?
I eat much ice cream. I eat a little ice cream. I eat a lot of ice cream. I eat a plenty of ice cream. I eat some ice cream. I eat enough ice cream. I eat no ice cream.
Very good. Pooja ji, how much petrol did you waste?
I wasted a lots of petrol.
A lot of.
Sorry. I wasted a lots of petrol. I wasted some petrols. I wasted enough petrol. I did not wasted petrol. I wasted much petrol. I wasted a little petrol.
Very good.
I plenty of petrol.
Okay. How much water, Abhishek? How much water will you save? Will you, simple future tense. How much water will you save?
I will save water much.
I will save much water in this way.
I will save much water. I will save a little water. I will save a lot of water. I will save a plenty of water. I will save some water. I will save enough water. I will save no water.
Okay, Santosh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much medicine do you need?
I need much medicine. I need a little medicine. I need a lot of medicine. I need a plenty of medicine. I need some medicine. I need enough medicine. I need no medicine.
Okay, Kajal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much electricity does the government supply? How much electricity does the government supply?
Government supplies a much electricity.
Much is wrong.
Much electricity. Government supply a little electricity. Government supplies a lot of electricity. Government supply a plenty of electricity. Government supply some electricity. Government supply enough electricity. Government supply no electricity.
Aishwarya, how much amount did you pay? Simple past tense. Simple past tense. How much amount did you pay?
I pay much amount. I pay a little amount.
I pay not. I paid. I paid.
I paid a lot of amount. I paid a plenty of amount. I paid some amount. I paid enough amount. I paid no amount.
Okay. How much? Okay, Amruta. How much amount do you invest?
I invest much amount. I invest a little amount. I invest a lot of amount. I invest a plenty of amount. I invest some amount. I invest enough amount. I invest no amount.
Got it? In this way, we have talked about all the, we have talked about how much question. Now last question, it means today's last question is whom. Today's last question we are going to talk about, that is whom. Whom do you call? I call my friend. Okay. I call him. I call her. I call it. I call us. I call them. I call you. I call you. First you is a singular you and second you is a plural you. I call my friend. I call your friend. I call our friend. I call his friend. I call her friend. I call Ram's friend. I call my friends. That is plural. I call your friends. I call our friends. I call his friends. I call her friends. I call Ram's friends. Got it? Okay. Amruta, answer me. Whom do you invite for the party?
I invite him for the party. I invite her for the party. I invite them for the party. I invite you for the party. I invite my friend to the party. I invite your friend to the party. I invite our friend to the party. I invite his friend to the party. I invite her friend to the party. I invite Ram's friend to the party. I invite my friends to the party. I invite your friends to the party. I invite our friends to the party. I invite his friends to the party. I invite her friends to the party. I invite Ram's friends to the party.
Got it? Very important. We are not only learning the answers. We are also learning the pronouns, possessive pronouns, objective pronouns, that we are going to see in detail. But here also we are going to use it practically. Aishwarya, whom do you reply in the mail? Whom do you reply in the mail?
I reply him to the mail. I reply her to the mail. I reply. Huh?
By the mail you can say, or in the mail you can say.
I reply my friend to the mail. I reply your friend to the mail. I reply
the mail, by the mail or in the mail.
In the mail.
Okay. You are by the mail.
I reply our friend in the mail. I reply his friend in the mail. I reply her friend in the mail. I reply Ram's friend in the mail. I reply my friends in the mail. I reply your friends in the mail. I replied our friends in the mail. I reply his friends in the mail. I reply her friends in the mail. I reply Ram's friends in the mail.
Very good. Ashwini, whom do you teach?
I teach him. I teach her. I teach you. I teach you. I teach my friend. I teach your friend. I teach our friend. I teach his friend. I teach her friend. I teach Ram friend. I teach my friends. I teach your friends. I teach our friends. I teach his friends. I teach her friends. I teach Ram's friends.
Okay, Tushar. Whom do you ask questions?
Whom do you?
Everybody is answering me. It is not a listening class. It is not a listening class. Whom do you ask questions?
Whom do you? I ask question to him. I ask question to her. I ask question to it. I ask question to us. I ask question to them. I ask question to you. I ask question to you. I ask question to my friend. I ask question to your friend. I ask question to our friend. I ask question to his friend. I ask question to her friend. I ask question to Ram's friend. I ask question to my friends. I ask question to your friends. I ask question to our friends. I ask question to his friends. I ask question to her friends. I ask question to Ram's friends.
Okay, Aditi, whom do you suggest a new business? Whom will you suggest a new business? Whom will you suggest a new business?
I will suggest a new.
Wait a minute. I will suggest him a new business. Start.
I will suggest him a new business. I will suggest her a new business. I will suggest it a new business. I will suggest us a new business. I will suggest them a new business. I will suggest you a new business. I will suggest my friend a new business. I will suggest our friend a new business. I will suggest our friend a new business. I will suggest his friend a new business. I will suggest her friend a new business. I will suggest Ram's friend a new business. I will suggest my friends a new business. I will suggest our friends a new business. I will suggest our friends a new business. I will suggest his friends a new business. I will suggest her friends a new business. I will suggest Ram friends a new business.
Okay, Pooja Kumarji, whom do you allow in the class?
I allow to him class.
I allow him in the class.
I allow him in the class. I allow in her in the class. I allow in it in the class. I allow in us in the class. I allow in them in the class. I allow you in the class. I allow is you in the class. I allow in my friend in the class. I allow your friend in the class. I allow our friend in the class. I allow his friend in the class. I allow her friend in the class. I allow Ram's friend in the class. I allow my friends in the class. I allow your friends in the class. I allow our friends in the class. I allow his friends in the class. I allow her friends in the class. I allow Ram's friend in the class.
Okay, Abhishek, whom do you observe in the class? Whom do you observe in the class?
I observed him in the class. I observed her in the class. I observed it in the class. I observed us in the class. I observed them in the class. I observed you in the class. I observed my friend in the class. I observed your friend in the class. I observed our friend in the class. I observed his friend in the class. I observed her friend in the class. I observed Ram's friend in the class. I observed my friends in the class. I observed your friends in the class. I observed our friend in the class. I observed his friends in the class. I observed her friends in the class. I observed Ram's friends in the class.
Okay, whom did you? Okay, Santosh, whom did you threaten on the road? Whom did you threaten on the road?
I threatened him to road.
Threaten.
I threatened to him.
No, I threatened him on the road. Simple.
I threatened to him on the road.
Not to. Don't use to. I threatened him on the road.
I threatened him on the road. I threatened her on the road. I threatened it on the road. I threatened us on the road. I threatened them on the road. I threatened you on the road. I threatened you on the road. I threatened my friend on the road. I threatened your friend on the road. I threatened our friend on the road. I threatened his friend on the road. I threatened her friend on the road. I threatened Ram's friend on the road. I threatened my friends on the road. I threatened your friends on the road. I threatened our friends on the road. I threatened his friends on the road. I threatened her friends on the road. I threatened Ram's friends on the road.
Very good. Good job. Yeah. Now, Kajal, whom will you surprise tomorrow? Whom will you surprise tomorrow?
I will surprise tomorrow.
Whom will you surprise tomorrow?
I will surprise.
I will surprise him tomorrow.
I will surprise him tomorrow. I will surprise her tomorrow. I will surprise them tomorrow. I will surprise you tomorrow. I will surprise you tomorrow. I will surprise my friend tomorrow.
You are not practicing.
I will surprise your friend tomorrow. I will surprise our friend tomorrow. I will surprise his friend tomorrow. I will surprise her friend tomorrow. I will surprise Ram's friend tomorrow. I will surprise my friend tomorrow. I will surprise your friend tomorrow. I will surprise our friend tomorrow. I will surprise his friend tomorrow. I will surprise her friends tomorrow. I will surprise Ram's friend tomorrow.
Okay. Whom do you admire in the family? Aishwarya, whom do you admire in the family?
I admire him, our family.
In the family.
I admire him in the family. I admire her in the family. I admire it in the family. I admire them in the family. I admire you in the family. I admire my friend in the family. I admire your friend in the family. I admire our friend in the family. I admire his friend in the family. I admire her friend in the family. I admire Ram's friend in the family. I admire my friends in the family. I admire your friends in the family. I admire our friends in the family. I admire his friends in the family. I admire her friends in the family. I admire Ram's friends in the family.
Okay, Advait, whom will you meet? Simple future tense. Whom will you meet tomorrow in the class? In the school?
Yes,
whom will you meet tomorrow in the school?
Yes, sir. I will meet my friend into class.
I will meet him in the class tomorrow. All the answers.
Yes, sir. I will meet him into the class. I will meet her into the class.
I will meet him in the class. I will meet her in the class.
I will meet him in the class. I will meet her in the class. I will meet it in the class. I will meet us in the class. I will meet them in the class. I will meet you in the class. I will meet you in the class. I will meet my friend in the class. I will meet your friend in the class. I will meet our friend into the class. I will meet his friend into the class. I will meet her friend into the class. I will meet...
in the class.
I will meet her friend into the class. I will meet Ram's friend into the class. I will...
Not into, it is in the.
Yes, sir. I will meet my friends in the class. I will meet your friends in the class. I will meet our friends in the class. I will meet his friends in the class. I will meet her friends in the class. I will meet Ram friends in the class.
All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, I am cheerful.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you excited?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So
Yes, sir, I'm
keep
excited.
enjoying and have a nice day. Good night, everybody, and
Sir.
keep practicing. Keep practicing. That is very important for you all. All right.